In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite Steam friends to games. If you've ever wanted to jump into a match together quickly without digging through menus, this walkthrough will show you two simple ways. From inside your game using the Steam overlay, and from the main Steam window using Friends and Chat. I will also share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. First, let's do it while you are already in a game. With your game running, open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift+Tab on your keyboard. You'll see the overlay appear on top of your game screen. Look for your friends list inside the overlay. Find the friend you want to play with. Then right-click their name. From the menu that pops up, choose Invite to Game. That sends an invite directly from your current session. When your friend accepts, they'll be taken to your lobby or match, depending on how the game handles invites. If you don't see the Invite to Game option, it usually means one of a few things. The game you are playing may not support direct invites. Your current game mode might not allow joining in progress. Or your friend's status is set to invisible or they're not online. In those cases, try switching to a lobby or menu that allows invites or ask your friend to appear online. Also, make sure both of you own the game and have any required updates installed. Now, let's invite from the main Steam window. This is handy if you haven't launched the game yet or you want to line up friends before starting. In the bottom right corner of the Steam window, click Friends and Chat to open your Chat and Friends panel. Find your friend, click the small drop-down arrow next to their name and select Invite to Game. If your game is already running, the invite will reflect your current session. If it's not running, some titles will launch the game for you, or let your friend join once you are in a compatible lobby. A couple of final tips to keep things smooth: keep your game updated and make sure you are in a joinable lobby or party. If the game uses if the overlay doesn't appear when you press Shift+Tab, check that the overlay is enabled for that game and that no other program is blocking it. And if invites still don't work, a quick restart of Steam or the game often fixes it. That's it. Thanks for watching.